Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is a soldering iron, and it is by, that's brand right there. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So I actually got this to make holes in plastic pots for my plants. Like you can see, I have a lot of plants. I've seen a lot of people using these. They will actually just get like regular plastic pots and use this, which I thought was an amazing idea. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in here. It has like a little sponge. It has a little metal if you want to use it for like soldering something together, which I do have something that I need to fix with this, so I'll use it for that as well. It comes with this right here. It comes with a little user manual on how to use it, and it tells you everything, what each part is. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and it's at 350 degrees Celsius. Now you can go up or down. I'm gonna keep it about right there because I don't need it to go too high, but it can go all the way up to 500 degrees Celsius, and it can go down to 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to turn it back up to like 350 right there because that's in between. It also does come with all these different tips, which I'll show you right now. I'm going to keep the one that I have because that's the one that I want to use in this video. But depending on what you want to use it for, it has a really sharp tip. It has like a flat head. You can see right there. Has another round one. This one's like jagged if you want to cut something. And then it has one that has like a flat top like that. It almost looks like a lipstick tube. And then this is what you can actually use just to hold it up when you're setting it down so that it doesn't burn anything. So I'm actually going to be using this to put holes in these little containers. I want to use them as plant pots, but as you can see, the bottom is plastic. They're actually made for organizing, but I figure it would be really good just to put holes in so that I can turn them into plant pots so that it has drainage. So all I'm going to do, you can see, look how nicely that worked. So super easy to do. It actually has already like these little areas. So you can see how well this is working. I do it this way too. So just like that. Okay, so I got that one done. I also want to put some holes in this one. I really like this one. So again, just touch it where you want the hole. So just like that. So you can use it like that. You can see it works amazing. It melted. If it's going to melt plastic, it'll melt metal. No problem. And like I said, you can go up on the heat. So that's why I got this. I know a lot of people are buying these right now for this purpose. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.